Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this reading is going to be about your twin flame understanding, what your twin flame is understanding about you. Okay, how your twin flame views you right now in this situation, wherever you are, whichever stage of twin flame you are right now. So let's see what your twin flame sees you as, how your twin flame view you as. Okay. So first we have your twin flame sees you as someone who is actually achieving for the dreams, achieving and going after the dreams and trying to create something positive in their life, in your life. You are celebrating your life. You are walking your path with your own intentions, with your own intuition. You're not asking for validation. You're not demanding any validation from him or her, and you're walking your path with celebration, with joy. You're not interested in any facade or any drama, and your person really clearly sees that about you. Okay, however, this person really misses the memories that you have together. Okay, you guys have some beautiful memories together. You may have children together, and this person really misses those memories, misses the time of you being together. And this all is creating a lot of rebirthing situation in this person's life, creating sort of endings in this person's life. This person is very much chaotic and letting go of the past energies in his life or her life. Now this person is understanding that all that sadness was a part of the game. You were protected all this time by the higher powers, because you were charred, your energies were charred. You were not interested in talking to them because there was no equal give and take done to you from this person, because this person was in some kind of illusion, was lost in some other choices, was lost in other people, and this caused a lot of tower movement. Okay, for you, like you were very much annoyed by the fact that this person is going after many people, this person is choosing other people over you, and this confuses this person now. Like, this really brings sadness energy in this person's energy. Now this person is trying to create more love in the situation, trying to bring more love into the situation, because now this person understand that actually this person has caused a lot of chaos because of his mindset or her mindset. Now this person is coming to another reality wherein this person is seeking some kind of love from you, some kind of validation from you. You will hear it in 2 weeks from this person. You will hear some kind of good news or some kind of validation this person is trying to put onto you or bring from your energy. Okay, however, this person sees the light now, is seeing the solutions now, seeing that why certain things happened the way it did. And now this person is really understanding the core problems of your separation. Okay, this person is completely understanding that all which has happened in the past is not because this person was not aware about you or this person was feeling lost about you, is because there was some people in the energy who were creating this kind of loss, who were creating this kind of negligence, to bring forth a new person that this person is now, or to become something better, or to be something better. Now this person is actually resting and rejuvenating. At the same time, you are also resting and rejuvenating and renewing your energy, because you understand that you have suffered enough in the silence, and now you are no more interested in the bickering that people are talking about you, or people are looking for you, or people are doing for you. You're very much interested for your own material harvest, for your own stability, and you are receiving that. I'm getting that you're receiving that material harvest. You're receiving that. You, divine is playing a huge role in bringing that material harvest in your life, that stability in your life. You're renewing your power, you're renewing your energies, you are walking ahead the sadness, you are walking for your light. And this person clearly sees that now, that now you are no more interested in any kind of bad behavior, in any kind of projections from this person. and you are, yeah, you are moving towards the material and spiritual prosperity. This is what I'm saying, that now you are very diligent in creating your own authority, your own leadership, your own stability, your own financial independence. You're very much diligent. This person is very clear about the fact that now you really want to move on from everything which is creating hindrance on the path, just because they believe something from the outside reality about you or about other this person. So you are being asked here in this relationship to keep the patience, to have the patience, and to know that this person, your twin flame, will always come back to you. However, the energies around you has to settle down to make you feel like you have everything. When you feel that from your body, from your mind, from your soul, you receive it in 3D reality. Okay, so you are bringing that energy to yourself, you are taking your power back, and you're understanding that forgiveness will bring the answers. I need to forgive, not because I want this person back in my life, just because I want to give this forgiveness, just because I need to get my power back. I need to move ahead, forge ahead on my path, and I don't care about what other people are thinking about me. I just care about how to live my life peacefully, and this person is seeing that now. This person is visibly seeing, visible, this is very much visible in the 3D to this person, that you are not interested in what others think about you or what others want from you, or how can you come in union. You're not interested in that, because union is your birthright. You know that, and this person is somewhere having this idea that you know that union is your birthright, and you'll have it when it is the time. I told you about the communication, so next 2 weeks are going to be important for you. Some sort of communication you will be receiving by this person, any sort of communication, positive news. It is sort of a positive news. It can be some kind of general message also, like wishing you the Holi, the Diwali, the independence, the anything like birthdays, anniversaries, something like that. Very general message, but you are going to receive some kind of communication, because now this person is also undergoing through some kind of rebirth situation. This person is changing his or her own energies. This person is realizing that in order to come in union with you, this person has to change, otherwise you will be moving ahead, you will be moving on without this person, because this person didn't value you at the time that this person supposed to value. Okay, so now the energies are very clear about you, the understanding is very clear about you. Your person have never been clearer in his or her body or mind about you ever. This person is very much clear about you. This person says to himself or herself that I am very much clear about you, because the energies around me are guiding me towards you, and they want me to be with you. The higher powers want me to be with you, and this person knows that. Yeah, set your sights higher. You now know that union is in the cards for me, union is in the reality for me, so I need to work for the betterment of my stability. So now you're doing it, and this person knows that you both meant to be together, but this person is also working for a higher growth. Now you are making plans and focusing on your dreams. This person is also doing the same with you. Take note of intuitive message. Some kind of messages are given to you, because you and your person are always connected telepathically, so you guys are talking telepathically to each other. So you need to make notes of the intuitive messages that this person is trying to share with you. Okay, what more? Yeah, shedding the old skin. So you guys are shedding the old skin, definitely, because this is a new version coming out. You will be in the new version. No, you will be dropping your shields. Like, you will be not protecting your energy. You will be knowing that this is, if this is happening for my greater good, and you're coming into that reality now. Okay, let's see some of the angelic messages for all of you. See, this is what I'm talking about. We share unbreakable bond, and this person realizes this completely, that this person knows, the higher power are working for us, and you have dropped the shield now, that I don't have to be in the shield to protect myself, because this person and I are meant to be. You are my sun, I am your moon. How beautiful the message is. Now this person understands that you guys are sun and moon of each other. Next message. तुमसे ही दिन होता है तुमसे ही शाम. So this is a song from Jab We Met movie. You can go on YouTube and check the song. It's a beautiful song. I'm working on creating stability for us. This is what I've been talking about. See, this is the same message I've been telling you, that this person is working on creating the stability for both of us. This person knows that, all that have been done have been done. Now I have to move beyond the shackles. You seem cold towards me and don't look available. So this person thinks that you are cold and you are not available for this person because what this person has done with you. My efforts seem worthless to you. So this person thinks that his efforts or her efforts are nothing for you, but you walk on. Okay, you keep on walking. Do not come into the illusion that I have to cater to this person. Oh, my person is feeling this bad. Don't do that, please. Someone hates you in my family. So this is very much clear. There is some person in your family, or in this person's family, not your family. Let's find out about this person also, who that person is. Please guide us. Please guide us who that person is. It is the elder women. Yeah, it is the elder women in the family. Yes, the family is the elder women. Okay, could be a sister, mother, right? Aunt, but it's a female, and it's a family female. Okay, let's see. Last message. I admire your innocence. So this person really likes your innocence, loves your innocence, because you have been always channeling things from innocence. And this relationship is a beautiful relationship on its own. However, a person needs to understand to reach to the depth of it. There are not many people on the planet who could understand the depth of the relationship, because the challenges are many, the trauma is huge. Okay, so hold on to your creativity. That is how you can channel through this relationship. This is a beautiful relationship. It is meant to be, but on its own divine timing. You cannot force the relationship here. Okay, so I hope this reading helps you. Take care.